Look up at the night sky. It's a tapestry of stars, vast and ancient. Each pinprick of light represents energy, burning for billions of years. Now consider this. What if that energy never truly dies? What if, instead of an ending, death is merely a transformation, a shift in the grand cosmic dance? We are taught to think of death as an ending, a full stop at the end of life's sentence. But the universe tells a different story, a story of cycles, of transformation, of energy constantly shifting forms. What if we could glimpse this story, this cosmic ballet, and find ourselves not fearing the end but embracing the infinite possibilities that lie beyond? We've all seen it happen, a forgotten apple on the counter slowly decaying, a once grand building crumbling into dust. This is entropy at work, the universe's tendency to move from order to disorder. But entropy, for all its seeming finality, doesn't tell the whole story. Yes, the apple breaks down, its physical form dissolving. But the energy within it, the energy that once gave it shape and colour, doesn't vanish. It transforms. It disperses, becoming heat, feeding microorganisms, rejoining the vast cosmic energy flow. Think of a roaring bonfire. The wood burns, consumed by flames, seeming to disappear. But we know better. The fire's heat and light are forms of energy, transformed from the wood's chemical bonds. This is the heart of the conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. Every breath we take, every beat of our heart is powered by energy converted from the food we eat, the sun's rays on our skin. And when our physical bodies cease to function, this energy doesn't just vanish, it continues, flowing into the universe in a new form. Here's where things get really interesting. Our brains, those intricate networks of neurons, are buzzing with electrical activity. This activity, some scientists believe, could be the root of consciousness. Quantum physics, the study of the very small, suggests that particles can exist in multiple states at once. Could our consciousness then be a quantum phenomenon? Could it be that when our physical bodies die, our consciousness, this energy pattern, transcends the limitations of space and time, existing in a realm beyond our current understanding? Einstein's theory of relativity taught us that time is not absolute. It's relative, fluid, affected by gravity and speed. What does this mean for our perception of death, an event we perceive as linear, finite? Imagine a person falling into a black hole. To an outside observer, they would appear to slow down, frozen at the event horizon. But from their perspective, time would continue normally. Their death, the moment they cross the point of no return, would be instantaneous. This tells us that our experience of time, and therefore of death, might be vastly different from some ultimate objective reality. Black holes, those cosmic monsters that devour even light, are often feared. Yet they hold a strange allure, a metaphor for the ultimate unknown, death itself. We don't know what happens inside a black hole. Does information truly vanish, violating the laws of physics? Or is it transformed, compressed into some unimaginable state? Perhaps death, like a black hole, is not an ending but a transition to a realm beyond our current comprehension. The universe is constantly teaching us that things are not always as they seem. What appears to be an ending might be a beginning. What we perceive as destruction could be a transformation. Death, with its air of finality, might be the ultimate illusion. Our energy, our consciousness, the very essence of who we are, could persist, woven into the fabric of the cosmos. Death, then, becomes not an ending, but a doorway to a new, unknown chapter in the grand cosmic narrative. Consider the stars. Many are long dead, their light reaching us across vast distances. Yet we still see them, their energy illuminating our night sky. In a way, the universe remembers them. Perhaps the universe remembers us too. Perhaps our actions, our loves, our very existence leave an imprint on the fabric of reality. Perhaps death, in all its mystery, is merely a transition to a state where we become part of that cosmic memory, woven into the tapestry of the universe. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember this. The universe is a place of constant change, of endless transformation. Death, in this grand cosmic ballet, might be not a finale, but simply a change in tempo, a shift in the music. Our journey in this life and beyond is a continuous exploration of the cosmos. Let's embrace the mystery, celebrate the unknown, and continue to dance with the universe, even as our individual songs fade away.